Alright guys, today we're going to be checking out this Aroma reed diffuser. Here's what comes in the box. You got the reeds here, I got 5 of them. They're black. And with the diffuser in a nice packaging, protected packaging. Here's the bottle. It's pretty big. I think it's 50 milliliters, 150 milliliters. It's 150 milliliters. The fragrance is Mystic Rosewood. Smells like roses, but with like wood notes. It's not like overpowering. It's like balanced. It smells pretty good. It's not super strong. So how you use the diffuser is, it depends how big the room is or where you're gonna put it. You insert the reeds inside of it. So if it's a small room, you just put 2. And then if it's a bigger room, you can put all of them. And like that, it will infuse your room, the bigger room. You can use it in every room, bathrooms, in your office, in the entryway, in your room, in the living room, everywhere around your house. And it will convert that space into a nice smelling space. If you have pets or your kid's room doesn't smell that good, you can put these on there. It's not very huge. You can put it in any corner, and the bottle is very nice and sophisticated. It's not a bad, ugly bottle. It's a really nice bottle. So you just stick them in the bottle. So what you do is you just take it and take the little plastic thing that comes in, put the lid on, then you just put your reeds in there. So the more you put in there, the stronger the smell is gonna be. So it's definitely smells good. This is how it looks, alcohol free. If you're looking for a diffuser that is not huge, but it will give fragrance to your whole room, it will cover a large area. This is the fragrance, this is the brand, this is the one. So I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching. It smells delicious.